so this looks like a race. This looks like we're having some fun. Ooh, lots of mechanism, Yellow flag going up. Slow it down around the corner. He is not moving. We need to rescue this guy, and that's what this guy's doing, running a little funny, but that's fine. He's there to help. We got a medical bag right there. So this is the corner. Okay, this is the corner. Let's see what happens here. Oh, what kind of accident is this? There's the right shoulder and the head into the guard or into the rail. Hopefully it's padded, but here's the thing. What's behind this? It's this. So he hit something hard. So faded smile. Here we go, going through here. Oh, nice escape. A little bit of a brown, but that's what he did. This is actually a good thing. So right here, you know, we're gonna talk a little bit about the color code stages right here. White, yellow, orange, red, and brown. White stage, you're zoned out. Pretend you're sleeping. That's zoning out. Sitting on the couch, not paying attention to nothing, fully engrossed in your favorite show. It means you're white stage. You're kind of zoned out. You're not really paying attention. You're just enjoying it. Yellow stage, we're zoned in. Now, if it's a show that you really like and you're trying to learn something, like if it's the MTC basic training course, you're paying attention, you're zoned in, which is where you learn all this stuff. You're probably in yellow stage. Orange stage is when we get up to an intersection. We are kind of freaking out because we don't know what's happening. We're prepped and ready. We're perceiving a possible threat. Our gut tells us, I don't know. We're going to be in orange stage. Now, if something happens, something kind of pops out in front of us, we need to get ourselves out of there. We need to get ourselves going. We need to swerve. We need an emergency brake. We need to do something. And so we need to have an escape path. And this is what he does, and this is what we'll talk about with it. We're using the plan method for this. Brown stage, completely panicked. It used to be black stage, it's based off the Smith system, but somebody said, hey, it's more like a brown because they pooped themselves. That's exactly it. Panicked. Breaking down of physical and mental performance, basically crapped themselves. So a little bit of a panic, but we didn't do it the whole time. So we're coming up to here, maybe not paying attention. We're zoned out, looking around, la-di-da-di-da-di-da, listening to our favorite song, but not really paying attention to the ride. We're trying to sing along. All of a sudden, we look down. Oh, crap. You see the panic in his hands. Look at his hands. Ooh, a little bit of a panic. So we slammed the brakes. Now, if we didn't have ABS, this is typically the point where somebody will fall down because they panic broke. And what happens when you slam that front brake, it locks that front tire. Now we're sliding like we're on ice, and if we turn the handlebars just a little bit, it's going to fall down. ABS will hopefully prevent that. Okay, so it's not. I've seen people crash and lock up tires with ABS. It's kind of weird. But this one, it maybe prevented him from locking it up, and he's like realizing, oh crap, I don't have a good total stopping distance. I'm not gonna be able to stop in time. He reacted already, he perceived and reacted, and now this to that vehicle is our braking distance. We're not gonna be able to do that. Now what can we do? Can we swerve left? Can we swerve right? He chooses to swerve right. So all of a sudden we went from brown stage, okay, we were panicked, oh crap, reach for those brakes, oh crap, to now we have to switch into red stage. We are planning our ride. Okay, position for safety, locate, got it, adapt, and navigate. So now we got to navigate. We got to boom, get ourselves out of here. So we got to swerve. Ooh, baby, barely last second swerve. And then we found a small escape path. So all of this, there's so much that we can learn from this situation. First and foremost, when it comes to being a smart rider, we're seeking, recognizing, and understanding hazardous situations. So we have to zone in. Okay, that's our vision and our brain working. The S portion is our vision and brain. Now we have maintained fundamental skills. Okay, so now that's vision, brain, and body. Okay, vision, brain, and body as one. And then what we have here, let's put that back on the board. Acquire and use personal protective equipment. So now we're using our vision, our brain, and our body to move. And if something happens, we want to protect the body and the brain and the vision. So we have a helmet, jacket, pants, gloves, and boots. Okay, cool. We're fully encapsulated. It's not going to prevent everything. It's not going to mitigate everything, but we're going to use every possible factor we possibly can to prevent an accident. Vision, brain, body, gear. Okay, cool. If we crash, hopefully we have somebody to rescue us. And here's the thing. We got to pass on these lessons to other people, other motorcycle riders, so we can prevent more accidents for other people with the things that we learn. That's what's being a smart rider. I hope you guys are being a smart rider. Write in the comments if you dedicate yourself to being a smart rider. Anyways, we're coming up to here. We're going to go ahead and panic a little bit, but then we found an escape path and got ourselves out of there. So we originally talked about the first few things that we could do. You know, we use our brain, we maintain fundamental skills, but let's take a look at the environment that we're in. This is all we need. That's all we need. I want you guys to see this. This is all we need. We can make it through here. That's all we need. Don't tell yourself you can't escape. Don't tell yourself you don't have room. Don't tell yourself you're not going to be able to make it and you just start gliding into the back of this person because you brown staged and you hit that person going 40 miles an hour, 48 miles an hour. You can do it. You can find a spot. And the only way you know you can do it, you're not going to, if you're saying I can't do it, it means you don't have confidence yet because you haven't practiced it. Go out to a parking lot, practice your swerve skills. You're going to learn that you could do so much. I'm not saying go to a parking lot and practice 48 miles an hour swerve skills. I do have a video on Motorcycle Training Concepts YouTube channel where I do some practice in the parking lot, but I actually like to be out on the road, and I'll pick like a discoloration in the road, like a tar snake or a manhole cover, and I'll start aiming towards it. Obviously, we're in a straight line, and I'll swerve. And that could be at 25, it could be at 45, it can be at 55. Even on the interstate, I'll just pretend there's something in the road, and it's like a little discoloration, and I'm going to swerve around it. And I'm going to swerve back, obviously. That's what I'm going to do. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. You can practice, practice, practice. But look, this is all you need. That's all you need. So, just being a smart rider, that's all you need for an escape path. That's what we're learning from this. We're not learning that this person is being a dum-dum and let's make fun of them. We're learning that some things happen, mistakes happen, but he got himself out of it. This is great. Now we're going to learn so we don't make the mistake and we get ourselves out of it. That's it. Let him make the mistake, not us. We're done. Good. Bum, 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 bum. As you can see, I was already being dumb. Okay. Yeah. Looks like it. Looks like it. He needs to take our course. It's only $4.99. Low side? Nope. Went a little bit too fast. Ooh. That should tell you to, hey, slow it down a little bit. But nah, a lot of these people like to just keep going. One sec. Did you see that? Look at the sign on the right. We got a sharp right turn coming up. Let's see if he knows what we're doing. Are we going to slow it down before the turn, slowly press and roll? Nah, we're pretty terrible at right-hand turns. Whoa, uncommon thing. What happened? We weren't paying attention. Oh, his wrist kind of flopped. I don't know. That just looks weird to me. So we got a sharp right turn coming up. We have a vehicle up in front of us. We're just focused on riding our ride. We're focused on trying to make it through the turn because the other one we almost crashed. So we're just kind of doing this. And now we're starting to see, oh no, there's brakes. Oh no, what do we do? So he's just rev bombing. Look, hands are not even on the brakes at all. We're not doing nothing. We're just now doing it. We got impacted, hit the ground, right hand, right side. So that's why I thought, his hand is broken. His forearm's broken. Look at when he hits this last roll. Oh, you know, his gloves foam's falling off. Look at this. Look at his gloves. You'll see. Whatever. Anyways, boom, right here. That looks like it broke right there, but it's not. I think his glove is almost off. So with all of this, write in the comments what he did wrong. Write in the comments what he did wrong. This is your test for today. I want you guys to know what you should be doing. We do talk about solo press and roll. We do talk about watching other people and staying in the zone. And then on corners, orange stage, we want to see if there's brake lights. If this person is slowing down, why are they slowing down? It's on a turn. There's nobody in front of them. Oh, look, there's an intersection, so maybe they're turning left. So we start to see all these things. And I want you guys to write it in the comments. There's no wrong answer except for the ones that are really weird. And I know you guys are going to be saying some weird stuff, but write it in the comments. If you don't know what we're talking about or what to look for, join the MTC Rider Academy. We have a basic training course. Link is in the description. It's $4.99. Let's get on with this. What happened here?